Bismillah. Alright, good day guys. Welcome back to Kanan channel. Konnichiwa minasan. Kanan channel です。はい、so 1660 Super is in Gigabyte. So let's fire it up. Okay. Is there any smoke? Any whatever problem might arise? Fitted with the new riser. So far, so good. No smokes. So let's see what the monitor has to say. So far so good. No problem at least. And the system is trying to recognize the new GPU. I'll give it a few minutes for it to set things up. Windows to set things up. I saw a few reviews on the on YouTube. There's a few overclocks and overclocks, Undervolt and PL settings for 1660 Super. Later on, I will try to experiment with those settings. But basically, supers cannot go 1000 memory clock and above. Well, we'll try it. We'll see. We'll test it out and see how it goes. But in the meantime, let's see if Windows recognize the 1660 Super. Let's see in device managers. Yeah, there it is. 1660 Super is on. Okay, so there's a plus. But in the meantime, the Windows is still busy setting settings up. We'll give it a few more minutes to set it. Okay, so looks like everything is idle. Okay, so let's see in Phoenix Miner if everything is set up. Where's my bad file? Reboot start miner config. Where is it? Where's my list bat? Ooh. Is it this one? Will it read me? Is it read me? No, I don't think so. Is it this one? List. Okay, so list dash list. I need to make a new one. So base list device. Open it up. let's save it. Okay, so list. All right, so the super is in. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so minimize this. And okay, so let's open this up. Okay, let's see if everything is reset. So I have to set it all again. Where's my super? Uh, let's just close this and open it up again. Okay, let's see. Is my super inside? AVG. Close this. Okay, super. Alright, so my super is in. So let's try 65 PL, 50 cc, 800 MC. Okay, so let's save this. Let's check other settings, GPU settings. Okay, okay, okay. Uh-huh. Temperature I want it to be 69. Save 1070. Oh no, 75. This one is what? 23? I think it's 23. Let's see. My 1070 is 23 625. 625. 230. Okay, save this and save it. Okay. I think we are done. So let's try Phoenix. Uh, where's my list? It's number 5. It's number 5. Okay. Let's try one bed file first. I'm getting 23. Why am I getting 23? Hmm. 23. Let's try um Should I try with -50? No change. Let's try, for example, +50. Okay, temperature is up. Why is the temperature is up? 65.